Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you're writing a paper and you need to cite your sources properly in APA format. It can seem confusing at first, but I'm going to break it down into 5 simple steps that will have you formatting citations like a pro. Step 1. Understand the basics of APA citations. APA stands for American Psychological Association, and it's used mainly in social sciences and education. Every citation needs an author, publication year, title, and source information. The key thing to remember is that APA uses an author date system, so you'll always see the author's last name followed by the year in parentheses. Step 2. Format in-text citations correctly. When you mention someone's work in your paper, you need a quick citation right there. For a single author, write the last name and year in parentheses like this: Smith, 2024. If there are multiple authors, list them all the first time, then use it all after that. Direct quotes need page numbers too, so add p, or pages before the number. Step 3. Create your reference list properly. At the end of your paper, you'll have a page called References where every source gets a full citation. Arrange them alphabetically by the author's last name. Each entry should use a hanging indent where the first line stays left and the rest indent. Double space everything and use a consistent font like Times New Roman or Arial. Step 4. Distinguish between different source types. Books, journal articles, websites, and videos all have slightly different formats. Books need author, year, title in italics, publisher, and location. Journal articles include the volume and issue numbers in italics. Websites need the exact URL and access date. Videos should list the producer and platform. Step 5. Use APA citation tools and templates. Don't stress about memorizing every rule. Use citation generators like EasyBib, Mendeley, or your library's resources. Many word processors like Google Docs have built-in citation tools. Always double-check the generator output against current APA guidelines to make sure it's accurate.